Hi guys, welcome to the weekly Avalanche session. Before I start, if you're new to these sessions, these are the three key areas I will focus on, and then they are based on two main concepts. Also, these are for education and research purpose only, and also discussion with the online community here and not financial advice. So please also take note. Without further ado, let's start with the weekly chart this time. I started with daily chart in some other sessions, so let's start with weekly and look at the Wyckoff first. So let me move up the second test a little. So in terms of the Wyckoff pattern, it seems to me the entire after the accumulation cycle, the entire distribution cycle has kind of finished. Reason being, like there seems to be flat bottom over here for 3 weeks already, and well, it doesn't mean it can't go lower if there are particular like bad news, similar to what we had in 2022 to 2020, end of 2023. The price can get to that level. However, if there's no particular bad news for like a large part of 2024, the price was somewhat around the level we're at now, so that could be like a fair price point for the market participants. So if there's no particular negative news, it may stay there for a while and do some accumulation similar to what we saw last round, and then another round of price climb would happen. So that's from a high level macro perspective. If we go to the daily chart, let me compress this a little. If I draw a box over here, so basically this time when or even last time in 2024, when the price shot up above the long-term playground zone, the top white line, it didn't stay very long. So at most, let's draw a line over here to here. That's roughly 32 days. This time 19, even shorter. So not much longer than 1 month compared to what Avalanche had in 2021. That's like over a year, not over a year, 264 days. That's a very, very long time compared to like only a tenth of what we have in the past 2 years. The peaks went above the long-term playground zone. So what we're seeing here for the daily is like a downward flag to me. So basically it's like, let me extend this a little. Well, a downward flag is bullish from a textbook perspective. So in the other session when I talk about Hedera, I think it can be bullish in a sense like a mini bull, and then it starts its decline again. However, we don't know when the price would break outside of this pink box. It can hit the top edge of the box and then come back down and then hit another round before it actually breaks out. So that all depends on the market sentiments and also the adoption of particular crypto, like Avalanche in this case. If there are very good news coming out, like this new partnership and maybe some advancements in terms of the base technology, then like the price can have a reason to go up. Otherwise, it would probably stay around where we are seeing right now. Even if we look at these daily bars, yeah, there's a little bit of like high volume, but it's not too much higher compared to what we had in the past week. So it would be staying around this level for a while probably if things remain the same for the entire crypto industry. So that's pretty much sum up what's happening with Avalanche. Let's see you next in the Chainlink session.